Sundaes are my childhood. Like, I love an ice cream sundae. It always used to be what I ordered for dessert when my parents used to take me out. So I'm just starting off by making a strawberry compote. Really simple one, fresh strawberries, bit of sugar, some corn flour, and some lemon juice. Right, now I'm just gonna add the strawberries to the pot. Medium heat, nothing in there at first. Let the strawberries take that initial heat. And now I'm just gonna add in my tablespoon of caster sugar and the juice of half a lemon. And you can see how quickly that starts to blister the strawberries and bleed the juice. I want to keep some of those beautiful strawberries, which is why I'm going to thicken it slightly with corn flour and then leave it to cool, and then we'll be back to build the sundaes. Okay, so we've got our compote, it's cooled down in the fridge. Now it's time for the assembly. And honestly, do it however you want, guys. Have a little bit of fun with it. I'm gonna add some of the compote first. And you see that beautiful glossy color you get on it. You've still got the gorgeous pieces of strawberry in there. That's what you want. I'm gonna cover that in just some shortbreads I've got lying around in the cupboard. Nice biscuit layer, I like the texture in there. And then on top of that, I'm gonna go with our beautiful ice cream. If you're gonna have ice cream at home, have the good stuff, you know? Aussie made, local produce, and it's delicious. Nice scoop of vanilla. I'm just gonna smush it down a little bit. And then I'm gonna add some fresh strawberries. Just have some fun with it. Doesn't need to look all pretty. And now I'm gonna do a dollop of fresh thickened cream, because why not? I'm gonna go a little bit more shortbread. Just gonna crumble this one a little bit smaller. And now a little bit more of that compote. A little bit more ice cream. Because you can never have too much. And then some strawberry. I think that's enough. Told you I love a sundae. My strawberry and vanilla ice cream sundae, shortbread biscuits, is to die for.